नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. Today's video is very critical video because what I find is a reversal which is happening in a market. So please be with me till end of the video and see. I hope that today's discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into Lalaji, let's see how S&P 500 is doing. So, what was happening as of now, according to me, is that our market was getting sustained mainly because of liquidity of global market. The S&P 500 from past many session was not giving his gains, and specifically in past 3 days or past 3 day session, what I have observed is that S&P 500 tried to break this zone of 4,200. On one day, it even broke, and then it failed to sustain the high level, and after that, from past two trading session, we are seeing a big fall which is happening in S&P 500, and this is mainly somewhere connected to US government 10 bond yield, which has started, which has touched three session back at as low as 1.48, and now it is as high as 1.622, which is definitely not a good sign for all the equity market globally. So there could be a scenario that Fed may be thinking of increasing the interest rate. What's cooking? I do not know, but definitely global markets are weak. The dollar index as of now is still going down. So this is still a saving in grace, but we need to see how after this doji today's session is getting close. So this is something which is under observation for me, but this is as of now looking good. But overall globally signal are mix, and only support what we had in India, which was keeping our market either in range bound or in up move, was a global liquidity. And it looks like the sentiment globally is becoming weak. So now, keeping that in mind, let's see how our Lalaji is looking. So now on weekly base, what we see is that we had a strong 3 week where we touch bottom of the consolidation, that is 14147, and had a two had and started moving up to the consolidation top range of 15,000, where 15,050 was a very strong resistance. And at the start of the week, we tried our best to close or come closer to cross over 15,000, but we failed, and we started moving downward direction. So now weekly candle is looking red. It has tested the top of 15,000, which it couldn't break successfully. So this is how I like to read this price action. And when we look into this, we still see that on weekly basis, market is above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200. So definitely in uptrend, but our market are definitely overstretched. So our 8 bar is at 14,685, 20 bar is at 14,636. So 14,600 is definitely a very strong support for a market, specifically for this week. Now, when we look into daily trend, what we see is that we had a one doji yesterday, and then today we got a confirmation. Although there is a green bar, but the closing of today is below, much below the closing of yesterday. So this is a confirmation that a reversal has happened here, but still market is closed above 50, above 8, and above 20. So definitely market is in uptrend on daily basis. Now on 15-minute chart, when we see that market is closed below 50, below 20, and just above 8 and about 200. So here we see a clear sign of near term weakness, and we say that on 15-minute chart market is in bearish mode. Now let's see what happened yesterday. When we take these 2 days together and try to read, we will see something very interesting. So yesterday market gapped up, and bull tried its best to pull the market above the weekly H3, which is 14,950, but it failed. And then today, market gapped down, Again, it tried to went up, but definitely didn't even touch pivot of the day. And from yesterday's price range, which is previous day low, it corrected back. So this is a clear sign that bears are taking control over the market. Our today's closing was below pivot, and when we look into market profile, we see that for tomorrow, the CPR is way below the today's CPR. So this confirm that market is now in bearish control. Now, when we look into tomorrow's SGX, we see that currently SGX is at 14,840. So somewhere closer to pivot. Sometime back when I checked, it was at 14. Yeah, it's hovering in that direction, 14,830 and 14,840. So again, tomorrow, officially, my strategy would be sell on rise if market opens below pivot, which is 14,840, for a target of 14,780 and second target of 14,700. For any reason, if market is opening above 14,850, then the scenario is buy on dip for a target of 14,912 or 14,950. Although what I will do is that I will not go for this buy on dip for tomorrow if it is opening above 14,850. I will keep my eye and I'll just stay out of the trade for one day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for sell on rise if market opens below pivot. For any reason, if market is opening above pivot, then 15-minute breakout could be another trade which an adventurous trader can take. So that's my trade plan for tomorrow. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's review today's trade. So for today, my trade plan was to buy on dip. Oh, sorry, buy on dip, assuming that market is going to open above pivot, but market opened below pivot. And then I updated my idea on trading view, where I said that I will go for a sell on rise, which is here, sell on rise. Now, then I waited. I did not took this uptrend, and when it came closer to the 14,877, this is where on this red bar I bought 14,900 PE with a stop loss of above 14,960. Uh, then market did it what it did. It went down. It again came back, and I carried my position home. So currently I'm carrying one. These are my orders. So some Reliance future which I was carrying, I got out, and I shorted one Reliance, and then these are Nifty trade. So Nifty, one wrong entry. Then I again entered, and then the stop loss order was cancelled. So currently my position is I am carrying one lot of Nifty PE 14,900 PE with me, and one Reliance future which is I have short. So that's my position. What's my learning for today? Learning for today is stick to your trade plan, and do not take more than two trade in a day. Just stay focused. And just as of now, the idea is not to make money. Idea is to just for me is to strengthen my concept and my confidence on my trade setup. Then I will play on my volumes. So I am I think that if global support goes, then we are in for a real good time correction with this corona and fear of central putting a lockdown may come in. But we also have some good news like vaccination. So I sincerely request all of you that please register yourself on Cowin app, get yourself registered, and keep on pressing, looking for availability, because as soon as the vaccines are available above 18, it goes out immediately. So you need to be in front of a screen looking to get your vaccination slot booked. This is the best way, I think, to stop corona. So wear mask, stay healthy. Jai Hind.